Hello, my name is Justin Davis, and the earthquake I had was the Iran earthquake of 2003. This earthquake happened in 2003, December 26th. As you can see, this is some of the destruction of the city, what used to be the city of the town of Bam. I think that's how you pronounce it. The location affected by this earthquake was the city of Bam, located in Iran. The two places involved the two plates involved were the Arabian and Eurasian plates. Here's the city and the surrounding areas that were also affected by it, but it was mostly right next to the city of Bam. Why? This earthquake was caused by the transform type movement of plate boundaries, more specifically a strike slip type of movement along the plates. It's like if you get your hands and rub them together, that's basically what happened. The movement that happened was the one to the right, the strike slip. They push and shred against each other, like kind of moving cheese on the little grate thing. Some of the environmental impacts of this earthquake would be the destruction of vegetation and surrounding buildings, as we studied in the class in our labs. Earthquakes also shift the crust of the earth. The crust of our earth is made up of different layers called trenches, and we can use those trenches to help date past earthquakes. And that can also help us determine the rate of which earthquakes occur and when they will happen again. In this picture, this shows some major earthquakes and how it shifted the trenches. The earlier ones are cut off sooner, and the more later ones are closer to the surface. How we as humans have been impacted by this event, the city of Bam was mostly destroyed, only 20% of it remaining. It also killed around 26,000 people and injured around 30,000 people. Some fun, not so fun facts was this was a 6.6 on the Richter scale. It lasted for 10 seconds. And the city of Bam was a part of the Silk Road. Some lessons learned, as I stated earlier, that studying past earthquakes can help determine our planet's habits and nature, and also finding out the rates at which earthquakes occur for cities and places along major fault lines or other plates that we know move around a lot. If we can determine a pattern, it can help us not prevent, but look out for these future earthquakes in coming years so we can take preventative steps because you can't stop it once it happens.